Right, good morning, everybody. Hope we're all good. It's Friday, the 6th of January 2023, and I'm here to give you the morning quickie. Two good things, two good bits of news. Firstly, it's Friday, and secondly, it's likely to be a much better day with plenty of sunshine. Looking outside at the moment, it's 7.1 degrees here in Folkestone. That's all because the cold front has gone through and we're starting to pull in slightly cooler air. And if you look at my weather station here in Folkestone, there's been quite a fall in temperature over the last hour as that clearer air has come in. We've gone from 11 degrees down to 7.9, or should I say 7.1 at the moment. So, yeah, if we take a look at the top 20 at the moment, the current maximum temperatures, this was an hour ago, you'll see that actually there's three locations in the top 20: Langdon Bay, Lydd Airport, and Manston, all recording between 9 and 10, but those temperatures would have dropped now. Now, just taking a quick look at the radar, this was the scene at 3:50 this morning. We were still in the milder air, but what happened is that cold front slowly edged away. In fact, by the time it reached the southeast coast at 5 o'clock, it had pretty much fizzled out. So that's the story, an improving day. And if we just take a look around the cams at the moment, these are the traffic cameras on the M20. No problems with visibility. There you see a lovely full moon. Looks like it's on display for most of us if we're driving on the motorway at the moment, about to go to work. What I'm going to now do though is show you the bigger picture just for today, and we've got this huge area of low pressure that's waiting in the Atlantic. So today is a bit of a lull before the storm, bit of respite. As you can see, as we move this sequence through the course of today, this really deep area of low pressure does get really close. In fact, if we run the sequence through to the end of the day, there it is. Look at that, 946 millibars. That's quite a beast. And yeah, there's going to be fronts wrapped around that, and that's going to be affecting our weekend weather. But back to the here and now. This is what we want to see. This is today's forecast. So we can see this morning's rain pushed out away, as I've already mentioned, at 6 o'clock. And we've got a dry and a bright day with some decent sunny spells, especially this morning. What will happen though, as we move through the day, this is the scene at midday. The cloud will start to increase somewhat, but it will still be dry. And then perhaps by late afternoon into the evening, we'll start bringing a bit more cloud again onto the southern coasts with the chance of a little bit of showery rain. But yeah, that's the exception rather than the rule. I think as we go into the evening and overnight, this is 9 o'clock tonight, the breeze does start to increase. We do bring in the chance of more drizzle, and then overnight we look towards the west for the weather front that's going to be a bit of a spoiler for tomorrow. Have a look at the temperatures. So at the moment, we've had a brief dip. So these were the earlier temperatures, but they have fallen away at the moment. As I've mentioned, sixes, sevens, and eights. But these temperatures, we're at a low now, around about 7. But yeah, temperatures will pick up again today. 10s and 11s will be on offer. Slightly cooler than they were yesterday, but because we'll be bringing in more cloud and breeze later on in the day, the temperatures will again, they'll be rising throughout the course of the evening and overnight. So these are the starting temperatures again tomorrow morning. We'll be looking at 10s, 11s degrees again, so exceptionally mild. In terms of wind, so we start at the moment light westerly breezes at the moment, falls 2s and 3s, and no wind related problems today. This is at 9 o'clock, this is at 12 o'clock. These are in miles per hour, and these are the average wind speeds, so no real problems, just light to moderate. But as we move through the evening, we just start to bring in a bit of a freshening breeze onto the south coast initially, and they will transfer inland to a fresh force 5 for most of us overnight as we bring in that cloud and more in the way of drizzle. So that's it in summary. Just a quick morning one, not too bad a day today. Some sunny spells this morning, a bit more cloud this afternoon. Some drizzly rain starting to develop on the south coast by evening, spreading inland overnight and becoming very mild. I'll be back again tomorrow morning with the updated morning summary quickie. In the meantime, all have a good day and ciao for now.